How to uninstall apps on Windows 10 permanently to remove programs from Microsoft Store in 2024 and beyond. Hey there and welcome back. Today we'll be talking about a commonly asked question by a Windows 10 user: how to uninstall apps, program or software inside Windows 10. So the first method is how to uninstall apps on Microsoft Store Windows 10 by using the Start menu. So first of all, we need to open up the Start menu. Once the start menu is open, we need to find the program that we want to uninstall. For example, I have these programs here such as calendar, mail, media player, movies and TV. I want to select a program that I want to uninstall, such as this mail program. I want to right click on it, then select uninstall from the context menu. Then this pop-up will appear that says this app and its related info will be uninstalled. You just need to select on uninstall. The program or the app will be removed from your Windows 10 computer. Similarly, the second method is how to uninstall Microsoft Store apps on Windows 10 using settings. And to do that, we need to launch the settings by pressing the hotkey Windows plus I. Let me maximize this. Then we need to go to app. From the list, we need to find the app that we want to uninstall, or we can use the search box over here. I'm not gonna use the search box. I'm directly gonna find the app. I want to remove this media player app. So I'm just gonna click on it and select uninstall. And the same thing will appear over here that says this app and its related info will be uninstalled. So just click on this button over here and it says the progress bar is uninstalled. Now the third method is how to uninstall programs on Windows 10 that are not installed using Microsoft Store or installed directly using a setup file. To do that, we need to open up the control panel, press Windows plus R and type control panel and press enter. Now let me maximize this. Under view, I set it to category. For example, you might have something like this. You need to go to UI and select category, and under programs you need to select uninstall a program. Here you will find different software installed on your computer. From here you need to find the program that you want to uninstall. Suppose I'm going to uninstall this one, the Windows 10 Update Assistant. I'm going to right click on it, uninstall/change. As the program has been uninstalled. For some other programs, you will have to follow the on-screen instructions. That's basically, you need to click on next and it will go straight forward to the uninstallation. And just like that, you have learned 3 different methods on how to uninstall apps on Windows 10. Whether you prefer using the start menu or the settings or by using control panel, all 3 options are easy. It's good practice to keep your system running smoothly. If you want to free up more space on your Windows 10 computer, check out my guide on clearing cache completely. You will find the link in the I button on the top right corner of your screen. For more Windows 10 tips and tricks like this one, check out this playlist. I hope you enjoyed my guide on how to permanently uninstall apps on Windows 10 and found it helpful. Subscribe and take care.